Hello, what's going on guys? Welcome to 5 minute solution. In this video I will show you how you can deactivate your Facebook Messenger. But before we getting started, I want to let you know guys, if you are new in this channel, make sure to leave a like in this video and subscribe to this channel, and also don't forget to turn on the notification by pressing the bell icon. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. So at first you have to open up your browser, then go to Facebook, and here you can see here you have to go to settings and privacy, then you have to click on settings. Then you can see in general you are seeing that manage account. That means you can modify your legacy contact, and also you can deactivate your account. So here you can see deactivate your account. So here you can see this is temporary. I have chosen the option, and there is a pop-up, would you like to log out instead of deactivating your account? But we are going to deactivate our account, so definitely not gonna log out. And here is showing that 1 day to 7 days, so you have to choose one, and then you can also choose other option, but here I'm going to select this is temporary option, and then you can deactivate your account right now. So yeah, so your account is basically deactivated right now. Okay, but now our messenger is still haven't deactivated. So what we need to do is you have to go to your Android device, and then you have to open up your messenger app. So your messenger is still activated. So in order to deactivate your messenger, you can see, tap on your avatar and go down, and you have to select legal and policies. Select on legal and policies, then click on deactivate messenger. Then what you need to do is click on deactivate option. So here you go. So we are finally deactivated our Facebook Messenger. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you so much for watching this video. And if you guys have any kind of question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. We will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5 Minute Solution.